Question number 2. The given specimen is rose. Calyx. Calyx and corolla are parts of a flower. Calyx refers to the outermost whorl of a flower, which is typically green and consists of sepals. Sepals are modified leaves that protect the flower bud before it blooms. Androecium. Androecium is the male reproductive part of a flower, which consists of one or more stamens. Each stamen typically consists of a filament and an anther, with the anther containing the pollen grains that are necessary for fertilization. The androecium is responsible for producing and dispersing the male gametes, which are necessary for sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Floral formula. Floral formula is a shorthand notation used to represent the structure of a flower. It consists of a series of symbols and numbers that represent the number of floral parts in each whorl, as well as their arrangement. The formula typically starts with the number of sepals, followed by the number of petals, then the number of stamens, and finally the number of carpels. For example, the flower with 5 sepals, 5 petals, 10 stamens, and 1 carpel. Floral formula would be K5, C5, A10, G1. Petaloid. The term, petaloid, refers to a structure that resembles a petal in shape, color, or texture. It is often used to describe a part of a flower that is not actually a petal, but looks like one. For example, some sepals or bracts may be petaloid, meaning they are similar in appearance to petals. Petaloid structures can be important in attracting pollinators and enhancing the overall beauty of a flower. Question number 3. The given specimen is side view of pelvic girdle of frog skeleton. Question number 4. A. Paramecium. B. Transverse section of liver. C. Polyton chromosomes. D. Spider. E. Snake. Important characters of paramecium. 1. Its appearance is like a sole of a shoe. The whole body is covered with cilia. 2. They have 2 nuclei in their cytoplasm named as macronucleus and micronucleus. Important characters of section of liver. 1. The liver section contains many lobule. Each lobule contains many hepatic cells which are polyhedral structure in nature. 2. At the corner of each lobule, connective tissue is present. Important characters of polyton chromosomes. 1. Polyton chromosomes have a distinct banding pattern, dark and light, that is visible under a microscope. This pattern is caused by repeated rounds of DNA replication without cell division, resulting in multiple copies of the chromosome aligned side by side. 2. Polyton chromosomes are much larger than regular chromosomes and can be easily seen under a microscope. They are often found in the salivary glands of insects, where they play a role in protein synthesis. Phylum of spider. Spiders belong to the phylum Arthropoda, which is characterized by jointed legs and a hard exoskeleton. Within this phylum, spiders are classified in the class Arachnida, which includes other arachnids such as scorpions, ticks, and mites. Class of snake. Snakes belong to the class Reptilia, which is characterized by their scaly skin, cold-blooded metabolism, and amniotic eggs. Within this class, snakes are classified in the order Squamata, which also includes lizards and worm lizards.